Now moving ahead, what is life in your words? How do you take life?
Life means living, treasuring, enjoying every moment. Where the life happens is usually everybody feels that life is happening inside them, inside the skin. Inside the skin, life happens, and outside also. When you are with the friends, you are sharing the joy and laughter with them. Outside also, in your aura also it is happening. Inside your physical body, having the life, living the life 100% is called master. Outside your skin, in your aura, wherever you are there with your friends or people and society, if you are enjoying that every moment, fullest, that is called greater enlightenment, great mastery. Also, if you can live the life to the fullest, to the whole universal level, that is called grand mastery of living the life. So, you are not only enjoying the physical body, the sensations, your aura, but you are aware of everything in the whole universe. You are feeling that joy is there. You are connected with the oneness. There are 3 levels of living the life fully. That's what I feel.
Wonderful. And Gudakesha plays a very important role to get the best out of the life. Am I right?
Yes.
In Gudakesha, you do Anapanasati meditation, right?
Yes, Ana-Pana-Sati meditation.
And if I ask you why Anapanasati, why not some other meditation?
Good question. In Gudakesha, we just sit in the night and relax your body. And once your body is relaxed, then we just sit there and observe. If there are any thoughts are coming, then cut the thoughts and observe the breath. So breath, air, related to air, right? So I feel that dissolution happens very quickly, dissolution of thoughts. Right. So that's one of the easiest and universal meditation. As Patriji told, although hundreds of meditations are there, this is one of the fastest meditation. So just they will be doing that, and with the help of that meditation, they will be having more and more expansion of consciousness. Their aura, energy, inner powers are awakening. Once I met Nirahari Yogini here in Mehdipatnam, vegetarian. She doesn't take any food, just she lives by air. So she said,
she doesn't take food at all.
Food at all. So she just said one sentence, inner powers will be activated when anybody is meditating all night. She said that sentence, but nobody around there able to catch that, because many people are not ready. I heard that, wow, wonderful. I noticed that.
That means Anapanasati being simple, easy and comfortable. Anyone can do it. It doesn't need special postures, positions as such, as far as you're comfortable. So you focus on the breath, and that helps us to relieve the thoughts quickly. Right, that's why Anapanasati meditation.
Yes.
Amazing. Since you have taught or got a lot of students in this Gudakesha meditation, what are their experiences, some strange experiences or some extraordinary experiences, I would say? Are there any such experiences they have shared with you?
One person, she was suffering from the back pain from the past 3 years. She's from Kakinada. So she was almost always bedridden. And her children, the youngsters, one girl, she is working, and her son is studying BTech second year. They are elderly, they are grown up, but they cannot help her. They can get the medicine for her, they can take her to the doctor, but no solution was there. And because of the Gudakesha, somehow she got cured and healed her back pain. Now she is able to walk. Earlier she couldn't even take 2 steps also. 2-3 steps if she can climb or walk. She used to bedridden for many days again. So now she is able to jump and walk and come to my workshops. Everywhere she is able to comfortably, she can be there. And her family, total family was very happy for that one. And one more example, one +1 studying girl, she was into depression. And she was a very good student, subject wise. She was having good percentages of marks. But because of her depression, she was completely gone. Everything, all the subjects, even her everything is gone. Now she is not at all able to concentrate in her subjects, everything. Many, depression means many situations.
Absolutely.
Family, everywhere, everyone is concerned. Because learned the Gudakesha, she practiced it, automatically depression was gone. One more person also, depression in few days. She even stopped her medicine, but after observing clearly the differences, and one should not do just like that, stop it, but after observing the everything what is happening. One more example I'll just say. One person, because he's doing all night Gudakesha, I told one technique that 10 seconds also one can meditate. So he was applying the 10 seconds meditation technique. He was working in a job. The moment he starts from home to go to office and again work for 8 hours or come back to home, it will be 12 hours for him. So then every half an hour he meditated for 10 seconds. Out of the 12 hours, he meditated for 25 times, he said. Then he saw that transformation happened, like all the work earlier, he was agitated, frustrated, shouting. Now he was very happily, in a balanced way, he is able to do the work. Like that, with the, of course, with the all-night meditation, also with this technique of meditating for 10 seconds also you can meditate. In a 10 seconds time also, every half an hour he could reminder, and 1 or 2 breaths he was observing relaxedly. It worked for him. So like that, many hundreds of examples I can't even recollect, because hundreds of examples.
I completely understand. So this is very important. This 10 seconds meditation is something, I really am impressed, and I would love to practice it, at least in the beginning. And there are a lot of people who are busy since morning to evening, and this 10 seconds meditation will be a great help, I believe. So I'll practice it definitely.
Yes, definitely one.
So it's really amazing. 10 seconds, I mean, in a jiffy we can do it. Amazing, really amazing. Moving ahead, when you practiced meditation for such a long time, you mastered it, this night meditation, Gudakesha. I want to know why you wanted to teach others. What's the reason? What's the secret and reason?
It's like universe is guiding us. That's what I would feel. So whenever I teach others, I am getting the blessings of other people, because many people's lives are transformed. And I could feel that in my progress, in my sadhana, also in my consciousness expansion also. Karma is a mathematics.
Correct.
So do good karma and you'll be having more benefits out of it. So heartfully, purity of heart. So whatever we do, the good things. In Bhagavad Gita, the one sentence I like the most is, whatever you know the best, do it. It may be right or wrong, but whatever you know that this is right. It may be for others' perspective, some people may think that, judge that or something, but if you know something, you feel that that's the best thing according to your consciousness, your intellect, start doing it. And start doing it massively, as much as possible. That's what I believe. And also I believe that Buddha says, for doing good things, don't stop, don't wait. Do it instantaneously. So whenever I started teaching, a lot of improvement is happening in many people's lives, and a lot of satisfaction is coming to me, and a lot of improvement in my consciousness expansion also is happening automatically. It might not show immediately. The karma is such a logical that sometimes it might not show immediately.
Correct.
But I know from my bottom of my heart that definitely, like, benefits will be there. Definitely for everyone. Everything is calculated.
Yeah, absolutely. And at times we might not know what's right, what's happening in the right direction. We might have been unaware, something wrong might have been happening, but that was it. We don't know. So this is something interesting, really great thoughts, you're a great master, I would say, really spreading the this process of meditation, and it's helping people mentally, physically, and of course in the astral levels also. And is there any special message for our viewers?
So my message is the same, Patrisa's message. You must be having some interest in your life. Keep pursuing your interest fullest. And if your interest is in meditation, or if, for example, if you see some benefits in meditation already, keep improving the benefits more and more. Hundreds and thousands of lakhs of times of benefits will be there with the nighttime meditation. So, for example, it's like, I would say, one person is hitting the rock to break it with a hammer. After 100 strokes, the rock broke down into 2 pieces. And the next person says, I'll also hit the same kind of a rock, but daily once. So how much time it will be taking? So in the same way, if anybody is doing meditation for half an hour or 1 hour a day, they're getting lot of benefits. That's good, amazing. But also, if they can able to meditate for all night, for example 6 to 7 hours, time is there. If they can able to meditate, then it is like hitting the rock every time without giving the break. All 6 hours, 7 hours, right? Then you can break the rock very easily. That's what the enlightenment and the next level of conscious expansion, many things happens. So people are like 70 years person, he said that I felt like 17. One person 72 years, he said like I became like 27 because he's getting more energies. It's all about energies. The more energies you feel, the more younger you feel. So whenever you see some benefits in meditation, you know that it is working for you, then go for it, opt for it, take it to the next level. And also for students also, if you wanted to prepare for any exams or anything, or anyone who is having sleep craziness, who are sleep lovers, especially this Gudakesha is for sleep lovers. If you are able to sleep for 8 hours or 10 hours or 12 hours, that's good. Come to Gudakesha and enjoy the sleep more and more efficiently, more and more gracefully, more and more happily. And also this meditation is for insomnia people also. One person who is not at all getting any sleep for many years, although she is a meditator, in her life the sleep is gone somehow. Like once in a while, for example, if she gets sleep for 1 hour, then she feels very happy. Now for 3-4 days, if I don't get sleep also I leave. She used to feel like that kind of joyfulness she used to feel. If she gets only for 1 hour sleep also. She learned Gudakesha and everything balance happened, because not getting sleep is some kind of a bad karma, some kind of a unhealthy lifestyle. Many things are happening. But with the Gudakesha, everything, the mastery over the mind, this is called mastery over the mind, automatically happens. So mental health and physical health, everything gets balanced automatically, initially within few days. So like that, go for it and experience it, share it with others also, because sometimes if you are not able to do it also, if you are having any questions, share it with others, so that you will get good karma, and that good karma will help you someday to grow more. So that's the message.
Great thoughts, and I really appreciate the way you think about others and the way you think about, how to live our lives and spread the word of spirituality, of course. So really amazing. And I'm very thankful to Prabodhji today to share his thoughts, and he has a thought that we should share our wisdom with others so that we get into a good karma that helps us to evolve spiritually, morally, physically, and in every way. Thank you so much for watching this program, and thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much. From the beggars' lives to their becoming the emperors. Every day morning almost, I need this, I want that, I want. Everybody is living like the beggar's life. The moment they experience the Brahmananda, their lives will be transformed as emperor's life.
Grand Master Prabodh Achyutha is a meditation teacher for the last 20 plus years. He has the gift of lucid dreaming and astral travel. He is called the God of Dreams.
Happiness is highest priority in my life. Whatever the things are there, whatever the situations are there, I wanted to be happy. But meditation helped me to be happy all the time.
Hundreds of people got practical Atma-Sakshatkara experience in his workshops. He can get into ultimate bliss, that's Brahmananda state by will.
So thoughtless stage is just a simple thing for Gudakeshas. Thoughtless stage is nothing.
He saw his several past lives as husband, father, scientist, king, Tibetan monk, guru, etc.
Sleep is time waste when you know the meditation. That's what I would say. They are meditating for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, but they say that still I have not mastered the mind. Many people are like that. Here Gudakesha is an absolute solution for that. The enjoying all the night sleep is called Gudakesha. Enjoying every moment, what a blissfulness it is, what an amazing sleep I am having, what an energy, nourishment I am having.
He conducted many workshops about meditation, lucid dreaming, astral travel, abundance and prosperity. He experimented on himself without sleeping for 18 plus years. Yes, 18 plus years.
Efficiency of the taking the energies, more and more energies they are able to receive in less time.
He conducts signature Gudakesha workshops spanning 14 nights. It opens the doorway of human consciousness to gain sleep mastery and thoughtlessness. He trains several competitive exam aspirants to reduce their sleep time requirements. He conducted workshops in several places of India, England, Wales, United States of America and Thailand. He is also a martial arts black belt taekwondo master. He did 35 hours of continuous meditation in one sitting. He did continuous 522 hours of meditation with only natural breaks.
If you know something, you feel that that's the best thing according to your consciousness, your intellect, start doing it. And start doing it massively, as much as possible. That's what I believe. And also I believe that Buddha says, for doing good things, don't stop, don't wait. Do it instantaneously.
Please join me in welcoming Gudakesha Grandmaster Prabodh Achyutha only on PMC English.